Welcome back to Raiden Cooks, and today we're going to be making pasta alla Norma.
One of the most beautiful Mediterranean dishes.
This is a great Sicilian dish from Vincenzo's plate. I'm going to put a link down in the description below in case you guys want to see it.
The most important ingredients, the eggplant.
We're going to be using eggplant, passata. His original cheese that he uses is ricotta salata, but we don't have that, so we're just going to use queso fresco. We're going to be using penne pasta, or you can use any pasta you want. And we're going to be using basil.
The first thing we need to do is to cut the eggplant into strips.
So first we are going to cut the ends off, and now we're just going to basically cut them into circles. If you guys don't like the skin on the eggplant, you can peel it first before you do this. We're going to stack them on top of each other and cut them into strips. We want them about the size of a fat French fry. Now we're going to fry the eggplant, and our next step is to heat up the oil.
You can use olive oil, you can use canola oil, anything you want.
Medium heat, guys, medium heat.
We're looking at 180 Celsius, okay?
I think the oil is hot enough, so we're gonna go ahead and put the eggplant in them. Oh yeah. So we don't have a lot of oil, so we're gonna deep fry it little at a time. You wanna fry that eggplant until it's toasted looking. Notice when it's turning brown, that's when you know that it's ready.
In less than 2 minutes, you have beautiful brown eggplants.
What you want to do is you want to get a bowl or a plate and put a paper towel on it, then grab some with your tongs and shake it so the oil goes back in the pot. Good.
Before we start boiling the pasta, we need to make the sauce.
So we're gonna go ahead and grate our cheese and getting it ready for the sauce. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh my God, no. Oh my gosh, I can't. What is happening right now? It's all crumbled into little pieces. I don't know what I just did. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on our sauce. We're gonna put the pan on low heat. So we're gonna put the garlic in there and let it cook. I can't believe that happened to the cheese, guys. I don't know what happened. I don't know. That smells really good, guys. If you could just smell it through the phone. Just smell it through the phone or computer or whatever you're using to watch this video.
What we're going to do right now, we're going to add the sauce.
Like I said, we're making enough for my whole family, so we're just gonna go ahead and pour all the passata in there. We're gonna add some salt. And if you want, you could add pepper, so I'm just gonna add pepper. We're gonna get the pasta going now, so you wanna take some salt. We're gonna be using penne pasta. I'm using the whole box because I'm cooking it for my whole family. We need to stir our pasta because we don't want it to get stuck.
So at this point, I like to use 3/4 of the eggplant.
We're gonna take about 3/4 and put it in the sauce. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Now we're gonna stir it.
We keep a little bit on the side, which we are going to use to decorate our pasta. Got some beautiful basil from the garden.
We're gonna take this basil and we're gonna like rip little pieces and put it in the sauce. Get some of this cheese and put it on top. So
make sure you cook it at low temperature. Let me put it down a little bit. We don't want to burn the tomato.
So we're stirring it right now.
We want to get a mug and get the pasta water. I'm going to add the pasta.
We're gonna add it to the sauce now, so. Now carefully blend it.
Add the pasta water. I put half the mug.
Our pasta alla Norma is ready, so we are gonna go ahead and serve ourselves. Let's decorate our dish. Put it on top, spread it around. Now we're gonna put the basil on it. Pasta alla Norma. We forgot to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Wow, this is fantastic. Yeah. Super good. Thumbs up. If you like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up.